Hello, this is Eric Miscoll again with EMSNOW here in the studio this time instead of on the floor. Visiting with Roger from ICAPE. Roger, thank you for taking the time to sit with us today. Why don't we start, it's PCB board fab,
Sure,
essentially.
absolutely.
Why don't you kind of give us an overview to begin about your business?
So ICAPE is a global printed circuit board and technical parts provider. We do business in 70 countries all across the world, over 1,500 companies. We have approximately 85 approved vending partners in Southeast Asia, and really are just actively growing the market here domestically. We've only been in the U.S. for about 7 years now. We were founded in '96 with our corporate headquarters in Paris, France, and have now grown to sales offices in over 17 different locations globally. So we're very excited about our opportunity to jump into the second largest market in the world behind China. So.
Yeah, absolutely. And all of the fabrication itself happens in Asia, correct?
That's correct. In Southeast Asia, throughout China, Taiwan, South Korea. We're looking at emerging markets, but have not really made any commitments to do business in Vietnam or Malaysia as of yet. But it's certainly a potential if we can find some partners that meet our quality criteria.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And then you also did an acquisition here. It's an acquisition, right? Here
Absolutely, a merger.
Tell us
a merger. So we've just recently merged with a company called DivSys, which does very high-tech, rapid prototypes, assemblies, and really offers a new revenue stream for us as a corporation. And the company itself comes with a lot of IPC certified technicians that do all of our work for us. Business model is phenomenal and comes with some very, very highly educated, very well trained personnel that allows us to compete in a high-tech market in a very quick turn time. Right. So yes.
So that'll be a bundling then of those services. You order the boards. So what would be rapid now in that world?
So we can assemble a board within 2 to 3 days. High tech, we can mount any type of component at this point in time that's available in the market. And so it's basically full turnkey. We can provide very cost-efficient, quick-turn boards from Southeast Asia, get them into our facility in Indianapolis, and populate them very quickly, provide a high-tech, quick-turn product for our customers, then kind of monitor how that works, make sure that we are documenting our processes. And then if the customer decides they want to move into mass production with those products in Southeast Asia, we provide a seamless transition from domestic manufacturing here to high volume manufacturing in China or Taiwan, either one.
And in your role, it's for the Americas, so it's not just the United States, obviously. It extends. You're in Mexico as well.
We have offices in Mexico. I am responsible for the national market here domestically. We have offices in Mexico City and again in Brazil as well. So we cover the entire Western Hemisphere, I guess.
Right. Well,
so,
and the main markets there really is what you're talking.
Yeah,
about.
absolutely. Okay. So we can bring quotes and opportunities from Southeast or South America into the United States and offer the same sorts of quick turn capabilities and rapid assemblies that we can now for all of our customers domestically as well.
Yeah. No, this can be exciting to watch, especially with the acquisition with DivSys, to see how that evolves, because that certainly fills a need in the market, right? So.
I would agree. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've had many opportunities to look at mergers and acquisitions in the past, but this one really filled a need for us, we felt, and provides an advantage, a unique opportunity that some of our similarly designed business model companies aren't able to offer. So makes
Good.
us kind of unique in the market, which is nice.
Yeah, no, exactly. Stand apart, right?
Sure,
So,
sure,
no,
absolutely.
That's good. Well, thank you. We wish you continued success. Thanks for sharing with us today, and good luck, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thanks, Eric.